Ever struggled with blind spots while backing up your truck, RV, or trailer? What if you could get a crystal clear, wide-angle view behind your vehicle, day or night, with a system that's built to last? The HD 1080p reversing camera kit promises just that, delivering vibrant, high-definition video that makes parking and reversing safer and easier. I've tested several backup camera systems before, some costing way more, but none matched the sharpness and reliability of this one. Powered by 1080p HD technology, it captures colorful, detailed images that stand out even in low light, thanks to its 8 LED night vision lights. The 150-degree viewing angle covers a broad area, cutting down those dangerous blind spots. Plus, it's built tough, rated IP69 waterproof and designed to withstand temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, so it handles whatever the road throws at it. What really sets this system apart is its flexibility. The monitor supports dual video inputs, meaning you can add a second camera, like a front view or license plate camera, giving you a complete picture around your vehicle. The image can be flipped or mirrored to suit your setup, which is a handy feature for different mounting positions. Installation is straightforward, too. The camera and monitor connect via a single 66-foot 4-pin cable, and powering it is as simple as hooking it up to your vehicle's 12 to 36 volts power source, whether through the fuse box or cigarette lighter. Customer service is another strong point. This backup camera system comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime tech support, so you're never left in the dark if questions arise. Many users have noted that this system outperforms pricier competitors, proving you don't have to spend a fortune to get reliable, professional-grade equipment. If you're looking to boost your vehicle's safety and convenience, this kit is worth a look. If you're ready to upgrade your driving experience with a dependable, clear, and easy-to-install reversing camera, this HD 1080p kit fits the bill. Whether you drive a truck, RV, trailer, or van, it's designed to meet your needs with durable construction and versatile features. Try it when you're ready, and see the difference it makes behind the wheel.